You're looking at a concentration of several thousand geese at the flight deck pool at the Bosque del Apache National Wildlife Refuge. We're south of Albuquerque, about 80 miles. And we're waiting for a liftoff. We commonly call it a blast-off. Birds will be stationary, and then all of a sudden they all lift in one big swarm, all in unison. There's never much indication of when they're going to do that. Shortly after sunrise, usually, anywhere from sunrise to 20-30 minutes. But there's no clear signal. I don't know who fires the starting gun. They typically will be loafing out there and get everybody will start walking and honking, and it gets real noisy, and then they'll quiet down. I'll probably repeat that a couple or three times, and just be out there, and all of a sudden they'll blast off. So it's sometimes only lasts about 10 seconds. We're standing out here at about probably 12-13 degrees, but light wind, so it's not too bad. We'll let you look at that for a while. I'll turn the camera off and then try to be ready when they do go. But, if we're lucky, we'll be out here about 10 minutes, and then it'll all be over, and we'll go to another pool and do some more photographing. But another beautiful morning at the Bosque. Not in too much better place to be this time of the year. Just gotta keep the hand warmers in the pockets, and they stay pretty comfy. See all the geese limbering up their wings, getting ready for the morning blast off. If you've been sitting in ice water all night, you probably need to limber up too. Everybody's still limbering up. When they do blast off, if they come over, it's a prudent thing to keep your mouth closed for obvious reasons. It's not uncommon to take a direct hit. A few birds starting to trickle out, so they may be starting to go here. Well, it may have been a false alarm. I thought they were going to go there. A bunch of them lifted up, started making a bunch of racket. It looked like they're going to be going out to the north. There we go. There we go. Oh, hope you can hear the big din of noise. I guess they're still going to be there. There we go. Yeah. All right, here they come. Look up, keep your mouth closed. Well, there's about our 10 seconds, maybe 15, and it's all over. So we'll go relocate to another pool and see what else we can find.